Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For our tutorial for this video is bobbles and single crochet. And to start with, we're gonna use a milk cotton yarn and 4mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors. And to begin, we need a chain multiple of 4. So I'm going to do 24 stitches. I'll get back to you once I'm done with the 24 chain. So here is my 24 chain. And to start with our foundation row, we're gonna do single crochet in the second chain from hook. Single crochet in the second chain from hook all the way to the end of this row. I'll get back to you once I'm done with our foundation row. Done for foundation row. And to proceed to row 1, chain 1, turn your work and skip the first stitch, this one, and make single crochet in the next stitch all the way across. I'm done for row 1. Now we're going to proceed to row 2. Row 2 is the bobble row. Okay, chain 1 and then turn your work. Skip the first stitch and then single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Okay, and on the next stitch we're gonna do bobble. Yarn over, so you must have 5 loops in the hook. Chain 1 to lock the bobble and single crochet in the next 3 space. Like this. For the spacing, it's up to you what is your desired spaces. You can do it after 5 chain or more farther to each other, but in this tutorial I just make 3 stitches space. So next, on the next stitch we're going to do a bobble. Chain 1 to close the bobble and single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, like this. So again, bobble on the next stitch, and chain 1 to close the bobble. Single crochet in each of the next stitches. In the next 3 stitches, repeat this process across. So again, we're doing bobble, chain 1 to close the bobble and single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And now We have remaining 3 stitches. Make bubble on the next stitch. Chain 1 to close the bubble and make single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. The last stitches will be the turning chain. So this is how it look like, our bubble single crochet. So when we turn our work, it look like this. And to continue, for our row 3, chain 1, and we will repeat row 1, the process for row 1. Rows 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are the same as row 1. I will get you back once I'm done with the row 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'm done for row 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now we're going to proceed to row 8. Chain 1, turn your work. Row 8 is the same as row 2, our bubbles row. Single crochet in each of the 3 stitches. On the next stitches, make bubble. Chain 1 to close the bubble. Single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And make bubble on the next stitches. Chain 1 to close the bubble. Single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Repeat this process across. Chain 1 to close the bubble stitch. Single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And now for the last 3 stitches, make bubble so that chain 1 and then single crochet in the last 2 stitches. Like this. Then turn your work. So this is how it look like, the bubble and single crochet. For rows 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, they are the same single crochet. And for rows 2 and 8, they are also the same. We call it bubble row. That's all for this tutorial.